Gear Guru, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. If you're passionate about high-performance cars, cutting-edge technology, and in-depth reviews, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're talking about a car that represents the future of Ferrari's performance lineup, the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. This isn't just another Ferrari. It's the brand's first plug-in hybrid supercar, and it's the most powerful production Ferrari ever made. Let's break down what makes the SF90 truly special. Under the hood, or should we say under the hood and beyond, the SF90 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, producing 769 horsepower on its own. But that's not all. Ferrari has paired it with 3 electric motors, boosting the total output to an insane 986 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. With all-wheel drive and a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the SF90 launches from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest accelerating cars on the planet. It doesn't stop there. The SF90 can hit 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour, in just 6.7 seconds, and has a top speed of 340 kilometers per hour, 211 miles per hour. Absolute madness. But the SF90 isn't just about straight-line speed. It comes with Ferrari's latest aerodynamic advancements, including an active rear spoiler that adjusts downforce based on your speed. The chassis is also 50% stiffer than previous models, ensuring razor-sharp handling on both the track and the streets. Another cool feature? The SF90 has an electric-only mode called eDrive, where it can run for up to 25 kilometers, 15 miles in complete silence. Imagine cruising through the city in a Ferrari without making a sound, until you hit the throttle and unleash its brutal V8 roar. Inside, Ferrari has gone fully digital. The 16-inch curved HD display, touch-sensitive controls, and Formula One-inspired steering wheel give the cockpit a futuristic feel. And of course, you get Ferrari's signature high-quality leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara finishes. It's as luxurious as it is fast. Now let's talk about the price. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale starts at around $515,000, but with optional extras, it can easily go higher. If you want the SF90 Spider, the convertible version, expect to pay even more. It's expensive, but you're getting a hybrid hypercar experience in a Ferrari badge. So what do you think? Is the Ferrari SF90 the perfect blend of electrification and raw performance? Or do you prefer a traditional, naturally aspirated Ferrari? Let us know in the comments below. That's it for today's episode of the Gear Guru. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest cars and supercars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.